There are multiple software programs that can be used to create and edit your podcasts. GarageBand and Adobe Audition are two of the more common applications. For experienced users, multi-track editing can be utilised with these applications. Reach out to the STEM T4L team for more information to get you started with multi-track. For individual podcast setups, we recommend using WeVideo on the provided Chromebooks. Teachers, you will need to organise third-party permission to use WeVideo and apply for a Class WeVideo licence. You can do this in the STEM T4L Learning Library or by going to t4l.link/STEM and looking for the WeVideo page. Complete the form and wait for a response. Once you've received the response, you can log into WeVideo using your Google account with your @education.nsw.gov.au email address. When you're signed into your WeVideo account, you will see the Classes tab to the left and can create your class by selecting Add New Class in the top right-hand corner of the window and then Create Class from the drop-down menu. Give your class a name and complete the other optional areas if you choose. Once your class has appeared in your class dashboard, you can open the class. Under your name, the second tab along the top says People. You will see there are two ways to add your students. The first is to import from Google Classroom. Once you select this option, you may be asked to sign in using your work Google account, agree to the terms and conditions, and then select the class from all classes within your Google Classroom. Your students and any co-teachers will automatically be added to your class if they haven't already got an account. If they do, you may be prompted to share a link with them. The second option is to provide your students with a link. The link can be sent via email or accessed with a QR code and will lead your students straight to the assignments page after they've logged in. Once students have joined your WeVideo classroom, you'll be able to see their projects as they work and even be able to leave comments and set assignments. From this dashboard, you'll also be able to download finished projects. You'll find lots more support resources on all things STEM at the STEM T4L Learning Library and on our YouTube channel. Visit t4l.link/STEM. We'd love to hear about how you and other staff or students are using this kit in your school. Join the conversation with other teachers like you in the Facebook group or on the Viva Engage community to receive support directly from the team. Just search for stem.t4l.